From Nothing to Millions, an insider's guide to achieving financial freedom. Becoming rich from nothing is possible, but it requires dedication, hard work, and smart financial decisions. The most important thing is to start early, as this will give you the best chance to take advantage of compounding. To become a millionaire by 30, you should strive to save 15% or more of your income each year, avoid unnecessary spending and debt, and make sure to max out your retirement accounts whenever possible. Additionally, you should look for ways to make more money, such as asking for a pay raise or getting additional training. Finally, you should resist the urge to give in to lifestyle inflation and get help from a professional financial advisor if needed. With careful planning and smart savings, you can achieve your goal of becoming a millionaire by 30. Change your mindset. Why a positive attitude towards money is essential for building wealth. Having a positive attitude toward money is essential for building wealth. Money is not a scarce resource, but rather an opportunity to create abundance and improve our lives. When you view money as an opportunity for growth, you are more likely to invest and save it wisely. It is important to understand that having wealth does not mean having more than enough money. It means having enough money to live comfortably and to reach your financial goals. A positive mindset towards money can help you take control of your financial future and build wealth. You need to develop a sense of financial discipline and have a plan in place to achieve your goals. You should also be open to learning new things and taking risks in order to maximize your earning potential. With the right attitude and dedication, you can become a millionaire by the time you retire. Do the math. How to calculate your way to $1 million. If you want to become a millionaire, you need to do the math to create possibility. According to Grant Cardone, author of the Millionaire Booklet, How to Get Super Rich, you can figure out how to get to $1 million by determining how many different ways you can collect it. For example, if you can convince 5,000 people to buy a $200 product, you will have $1 million. Alternatively, if 5,000 people paid you $17 a month for a year, then you would also get to $1 million. Doing the math will help you determine what it takes to reach your 7-figure goal and create a realistic and achievable plan for achieving it. Take a financial inventory. How to know where you're starting from. In order to know where you're starting from in terms of getting rich from nothing, it's important to take a financial inventory. This is simply a list of all of one's assets and liabilities. You would list everything you own on one side, such as a house, cars or other vehicles, bank accounts, investment accounts, collectibles, antiques or other heirlooms, and life insurance policies. On the other side, you would list what you owe, such as a mortgage, auto or personal loans, student's loan, credit cards, the cost of medical care, taxes, and loans for your business. Once you have this information, you can plug the numbers into a net worth calculator to determine how close or how far you are from reaching your long-term goal. Live below your means. How to create a more stable financial future. Living within your means is key to creating a more stable financial future. To do so, it's important to practice discipline and make some sacrifices. By using the 50/30/20 rule to create a budget, automating your savings, avoiding unused expenses, refraining from trying to keep up with the Joneses, and not wasting money on unnecessary items. Additionally, having a positive attitude towards money can help relieve financial stress. With patience and dedication, you can reach your goals and become wealthy. Tips for living within your means, using the 50/30/20 rule, automating savings, and more. One way to live within your means is to use the 50/30/20 rule when it comes to budgeting. This rule suggests to allocate half of your income towards essentials such as food and shelter, a third of your income towards wants, and the remaining quarter of your income towards savings. Automating your savings is also a great way to ensure that you are putting money away before you have the chance to spend it. Additionally, try to refrain from wasting money on unused expenses, such as gym membership. Finally, it is important not to try and keep up with the Joneses, as they may be hiding their true financial status and could be deeply in debt. Enhance your current income. One way to enhance your current income is to look for ways to increase your earning potential. Consider taking on additional part-time or freelance work, or look for opportunities to negotiate a raise at your current job. In addition, you may want to look for ways to reduce your expenses, such as taking on a roommate, downsizing your home, or cutting out unnecessary expenses. Finally, consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, or other investments that have the potential to generate passive income. By taking advantage of these strategies, you can increase your current income and have more money to save and invest. Create multiple income streams. One of the key aspects of becoming wealthy is to create multiple income streams. Having multiple sources of income can help to create a more stable financial future, as it diversifies your sources of income. This can help to protect you from income fluctuations and economic downturns. Some ways to create multiple income streams include starting a side business, investing in stocks, bonds, and real estate, and even taking on freelance work. Starting a side business can be a great way to bring in extra money, and it can open the door to other opportunities, such as partnerships and investments. Investing in stocks, bonds, and real estate can also be a great way to create more income. Additionally, taking on freelance work can be beneficial for those who are looking for more flexibility in their job. No matter what route you choose to take, creating multiple sources of income is essential for building wealth in the long term. By diversifying your income, you are creating a more stable financial future and setting yourself up for success. Invest wisely. If you want to become rich, it's important to invest your money wisely. Developing a sound financial strategy can help you make the most of your resources and build wealth. To get started, create a budget and track your expenses to determine where you can save money. Once you have a budget in place, you can look for smart investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and certificates of deposit. Consider working with a financial advisor or investing in a robo-advisor to help you make the best decisions for your financial goals. Additionally, make sure to diversify your investments and be mindful of the risks associated with each one. By investing wisely, you can increase your chances of becoming a millionaire. Avoid inflation. Inflation is an unavoidable consequence of a growing economy. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to minimize its effects. One way to do this is by living within your means and avoiding unnecessary spending. By budgeting your income and being mindful of your expenses, you can ensure that you save enough money to maintain your purchasing power in the face of inflation. Additionally, investing in inflation-protected assets such as bonds, stocks, and real estate can help you combat the effects of inflation. Ultimately, with the right strategy, you can stay ahead of inflation and maintain your wealth. Surround yourself with supporters. Surrounding yourself with supporters is key to achieving success and building wealth. Having a network of people who believe in you and your goals will help keep you motivated, provide encouragement and advice, and help you stay on track when it comes to reaching your financial goals. Not only can they provide a support system, but they can also offer valuable advice and resources that you may not have had access to before. It's important to find people who will challenge you to reach your goals, while also providing support and understanding when times are tough. Ask for help. If you're feeling overwhelmed and don't know how to get rich from nothing, it's wise to seek help. Consider talking to a financial advisor or someone who has already achieved financial success. They can provide helpful advice and strategies that can help you reach your goals. Alternatively, you can join a money-focused online community or forum where members discuss their financial successes and challenges. This can help you stay motivated and inspired to keep going. There are also many books, podcasts, and blogs dedicated to financial success that can provide useful tips. Ultimately, no matter what strategy you choose, the key is to be consistent and make small changes over time in order to achieve your long-term financial goals. Don't check out. The answer to the question of don't check out is that living within your means requires discipline and sacrifice, but it can lead to many rewards. This means spending less than you make each month, avoiding debt and creating a more stable financial future. It also means putting money into savings and retirement accounts, not trying to keep up with the Joneses, and not wasting money on unused expenses. With discipline and patience, living within your means can help you achieve your goal of becoming wealthy. Start saving early. If you want to become a millionaire, starting to save early is essential. The sooner you begin, the more time your money will have to grow. Developing a regular savings habit can help you reach your goals faster. To get started, start by budgeting your money and setting aside a portion of your income for savings each month. Automating deposits into a savings or retirement account can help you reach your goals even faster. The key is to be consistent and disciplined with saving and investing. With dedication and patience, you can create a more secure financial future for yourself and become a millionaire over time. What's the easiest way to become a millionaire? The easiest way to become a millionaire is to change your mindset and take a financial inventory of your assets and liabilities. You should also live below your means, which means spending less or equal than you make each month. Additionally, use the 50/30/20 rule to create a budget and automate your savings to ensure you're putting money away before you spend it. Finally, it's important to not try and keep up with the Joneses, as they may be hiding their true financial status. With patience and commitment, you can make the necessary steps to become a millionaire. Stay positive and believe in yourself.